Okay, hi traders. So this is a video analysis on Euro Yen. So let's start off on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, you'll notice that we are actually still on a downtrend, meaning to say we are actually still making higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so this is what we are doing. But okay, but we have actually broken out of this previous high. Okay, which is this move here. Okay, and then we have made another higher low. So we have actually formed something like this, okay, and then we might potentially be going upwards, okay, but I'm actually viewing the market as a continuation of the downtrend. Okay, I'll explain why. Okay, so let me show you why. So this is what I mean by this. Okay, so if you were to put a trend line around this area, okay, you'll notice that this area is actually a very important area. Okay, meaning to say you see all this support and resistance area is actually a very important area over here. Okay, and I said many times in my video, especially when there is a reversal pattern that exists on the major structure, there would usually be a erase of this entire trend here to go the opposite side of it, which is for here in this case, the previous trend is actually a buy. Okay, but if you go down to the daily, you'll notice what I'm saying. Okay, so let's go down to the daily. You'll notice that over here we have actually a potential head and shoulder. Okay, so this is what I mean by a potential head and shoulder, and we have actually broken out of this neckline, which is here. Okay, so right now we are actually in the retest section of it. Okay, now what I'll be expecting for next week. Okay, this is how I'm gonna look at Euro Yen. Okay, let's go down to the 4 hourly. Now the 4 hourly will be even interesting. Okay, because if you were to see it this way, you'll notice that if I were to draw a trend line, so let me take away all these marks first. Okay, and if you were to draw a trend line, you'll notice that we are actually still on a downtrend. Okay, I wouldn't want to start buying only if there's a breakout of this trend line to start buying upwards. Okay, for now I'll be still looking for a downside of it. So how are we going to trade it? So let's go down to here. Okay, so you'll notice that we are actually still on the downside of it, and we are actually testing it. All right, so right now you will notice that we have actually a double top. Sorry, so we have actually a double top here. So what I'll be expecting is I'm expecting a retest. Okay, so we have actually done the retest. I'll be expecting a move from here or maybe slightly higher. Okay, then to the next support and resistance area, which is here. And so we might be seeing something like a range between these two areas. Okay, so this is one potential. Okay, if this line is actually being broken, then we should be seeing the next support and resistance area around this area here. Okay, so take note of the levels that I'll be trading. We would want a break out of this support first. So if this support is actually being broken, then we should be seeing it going down all the way to this level. Okay, Um, otherwise, I will still for now next week I'll be expecting to trade a range between this area first, okay, and then see where it will break out of it. Okay. If there is any move towards the upside, please do not assume that it's going to be a buy. We will only want to buy if there's a breakout of the trend line, okay, for a buy continuation. Okay, but take note of this area that I have actually on the purple color line, which is a very important area because whenever the price break out of it, it got rejected very heavily, as you can see from here. Okay, so every time the price break out of it, it got rejected very heavily. So if there's any breakout of the trend line, so please take note of this resistance area. All right, so thank you very much for looking at this video analysis, and I hope you like this video analysis. Do like and share and follow me on TradingView. All right, thank you.